Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay the Detailer, and today we have a BMW X5 behind me that we did the headlight restoration on. We're gonna also do the interior. We just got some tools and products set up. I want to show you guys what I'm gonna be using for this detail. So over here, I have my compressor set up. This is my grandpa's compressor actually. I sold my compressor, which was a rigid dual tank compressor, and I missed that thing. I shouldn't have sold it. I have my vacuum right here, and then I have my bucket or crate with all my interior stuff. So for this detail, gonna be Express interior cleaner. This is by PNS, and this is like an all-purpose. You can clean leather with it, you can clean vinyl, you can clean whatever you want, you can clean with it. And then for this, this is a degreaser bottle, but I have carpet bomber in here. I just couldn't find my carpet bomber bottle. So here's carpet bomber. Those are the two chemicals I'm gonna be using, Express and carpet bomber. And then I have my drill brush and a yellow cone brush and a white cone brush right there. And I have my Tornador right here. This thing is amazing. If you guys haven't gotten one yet, or you haven't seen them, they have like a little thing in there that spins around, kind of creates like a tornado. So it blows out dirt and sand from carpets, embedded dirt in there. And then Scrub Ninja, this thing needs to be wrung out. It's pretty dirty. And then here's my two favorite brushes. These are by Detail Factory. This is a boar's hair brush and a soft brush. So this I like to use for my general cleaning, and then this for like soft touch, gloss, piano black, things that I don't like to scratch up a lot. So that's pretty much it for the products. And then your vacuum. Here I want to get some before and afters of this car. So as you can see, we got a bunch of cigarette smoke, ash, carpet looking pretty dirty. You can see a bunch of cigarette ash. My grandpa's a heavy smoker. Carpet on the back, not looking too bad. This car is actually not in a bad condition. So first things first, I'm gonna grab my air compressor and I'm gonna move these seats all the way forward. And once you have them all the way forward, you can blow everything from the back to the front and then take the floor mats out from the front with all the dirt on them. All right, now that I got you guys set up, I have my Tornador right here, and I'm gonna start by blowing everything from the back to the front. All right, y'all, so now that we got our air compressor step done, like I said, we're gonna go and use our carpet bomber for our carpets. We're gonna pre-agitate this, so we're gonna pre-spray our carpets. We're gonna let this degreaser. Carpet bomber is pretty much a degreaser, so we're just gonna let it eat up that dirt that's in the carpet. That's why we're doing a pre-spray. We're gonna agitate it after it eats it up for like about 5 minutes. We're gonna drill it, and then we're just gonna wipe it. That's gonna be our surface shampoo. So Express Interior, Scrub Ninja, and a little brush, as well as a towel to pick up your product, obviously. We're gonna be starting on this door panel here, and every time you do a detail, your main focus is gonna be all your cracks and crevices, pockets where the cup holders are and all that. So you wanna get everything. And the best way to do that is using a Scrub Ninja and a brush. The way I like to detail is about doing the whole door panel with the Scrub Ninja first, and then I'll go back with the brush. But basically you spray the Scrub Ninja, you spray the door panel, and then you scrub it, and this gets all your dirt pulled up to the surface. If you just go with a towel and just wipe it, your panel's still going to be dirty. It's going to look clean, but the dirt that's embedded in there, it's not going to come off. So this actually scrubs that dirt out so you can pick it up with a towel. And I like to use Express because it foams up a little bit. I mean, it foams up a lot depending on how much you dilute it. As you can see, mine's not that crazy. I like to save a little bit of product, dilute it more because it still gets the cleaning power, just not as much foam. I get more use out of it though. So you scrub the whole door, and you wipe it. Don't worry about getting all that foam off. Just get most of it. You want to be somewhat detailed with your wipe. Now that you got it scrubbed with the Scrub Ninja, you take your brush, you spray some chemical in there, and then you could go over your buttons like this right here. You can clean that up. You could clean your door handle up. You could take this, push the door handle out so you can get in that little crevice right there. You could get into this little speaker, and then for your last part, you can get into those pockets down there, the little door handles, door cups, whatever they're called. So I'm not going to be taking my towel and getting all this foam out, but what I will do, and this is why it's great to have an air compressor, I'll grab my Tornador and push all this out. It's off right now. I don't have a lot of air in there, but you don't need a lot. So like this. And then you could just go back over it, and it pushes all that product out, and you get a very clean surface. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for the whole entire car, and I'll try to set you guys up so you can see as much of what I'm doing. But yeah, that's all you really need to do. Oh, and one more thing, guys. So when I detail, I always try to split the car up into like quadrants. So if you guys look, this dash split up to right here, this seat, this part right here, this side, air vents, this door, the carpet, this is all one quadrant right here. All one quadrant right here. And then back here, this door, this seat, and that back middle, the back of this seat and the sides right here, that's another quadrant. And then the middle seat, that door, the back of that seat, and the carpet, that's gonna be the other quadrant. And then the last quadrant is gonna be the steering wheel, the middle, the dash, and that door and that seat, that's gonna be the fourth quadrant. So you kind of split it up into 4 things and move in sections. Alright guys, my mic died, so I'm gonna do a voiceover, but basically here you just want to do a basic vacuum, get all the dirt out, and you're gonna see me leave the foot pedal a little bit dirty, and right next to the footrest it's a little dirt spot right there. This car is getting put right back to work, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so here you're gonna see me talk about a glass cleaner. Now this glass cleaner is called Invisible Glass by Stoner, and what I like to use this glass cleaner for is to get all my glossy stuff, all my chrome or silver stuff that I left streaky due to express interior or trim shine, something that you need to get grease off of. Now you could use an IPA solution or you could use this. I found that this works really well as well. And you could hit your screen, you could hit all your glossy stuff, you could hit your windows, and you could hit your sun visor, mirrors. You could hit everything that you need to do with the glass and window related, as well as trim. It's amazing. Alright, now I'm going to show you the end results, and I'm sorry that this video doesn't get a proper outro or a few clips that have been voiceovers that my mic died. You guys see the end results here. They came out amazing, and the cinematics are pretty dope too. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more, subscribe, hit that like button. Also stay tuned. I'm going to be doing the paint correction on this car. It's going to take me a little while to get the video out though, so I'll try to get other videos out in the meantime. Stay blessed. Peace out. Jay the Detailer.